Yeah, flip it.
That was hilarious. Like, actually.
Yay!
So we did it. This is nice. That looks really nice. So, and we wait for a little while. Yeah?
Yeah. Yes, chef.
Looks nice.
I think it's gonna be almost ready, don't you think? Have a look under.
Yeah, nearly. I think it is
A
about.
tiny bit more, maybe.
Yeah, just wait.
A few seconds.
It's like a big balloon.
Yeah, be careful, yeah? It's all hot there, yeah?
Yeah. But you touched it.
Okay. Yeah, I know, but I know what I'm doing, how much heat I
Yeah.
can take. Yeah, that's great. Perfect.
So now you just leave it in here, and then like just put them down there.
Yeah, put them down. Yeah. And put it here. Here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now we do the butter again.
Yeah. So
But don't
because we kept on dropping it, that was.
don't drop it.
So now just get some.
You want me to do the butter or you want to do it?
I'll do the
Okay.
later. How about I touch it like that? It looks really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And now, but it's a bit big on this side, that's hilarious.
Okay, the butter.
Yeah, but let's cut it. Or should we leave it like this?
Yeah, I don't know, that's up to you.
I want to cut it. You got it. Something now. Yep, there's a big piece. Let's just cut it one more piece. So, then we do it again.
Yeah.
And that's how you make a pancake. It's nice.
Okay, that's enough. Enough.
Yeah.
Put it here then.
And
Then you do
then you do
this, yeah?
And turn it into one of these. Okay, I'm gonna try. Henry, wait. Your dollar.
Okay.
Then
Excellent. Perfect.
perfect.
Well done.
And you can eat this if you want.
No, I will have a bit. You have, yeah?
This